From the iconic blue lanes of Jodhpur, where tradition paints the city in a striking identity, to the dynamic streets of Delhi, where walls come alive with bold artistic expression, India's urban landscapes are redefining creativity. Blending heritage with modern storytelling, these vibrant spaces are capturing global attention and showcasing art as a powerful voice of culture and change. Walking through the lanes of Jodhpur feels like stepping inside a painting. Blue-washed houses, winding narrow streets, and walls adorned with traditional art create a scene that's both timeless and alive. Every turn reveals a new frame, every wall tells a different story. It's no surprise that travelers from India and around the world don't just come here to see the city, they come to truly experience it.
I saw a lot of animals, a lot of symbols of India, a lot of cultural designs, and I really like it. And I think it fits perfectly with the blue color.
I like how they depict history. They're not just random pictures. They depict the history of Jodhpur, and it's fascinating history to me that I would never know otherwise. So when I walk the city streets, I can see the history of your city right there on the walls. I don't have to go to libraries or museums. It's right there for me.
Interestingly, Jodhpur's blue houses began as a practical choice. The color was believed to keep homes cool, repel insects, and was once linked to Brahmin identity and devotion to Lord Shiva. But over time, this tradition has taken on a new life. Today, these blue lanes have become a global visual icon, especially in the age of social media. Old homes are now turning into cafes, handicraft shops, and art spaces, creating new opportunities for locals. In many ways, a single color has connected tradition with tourism and tourism with livelihoods.
टूरिस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं और यहाँ पे जो इंडियन जो खुद का यहाँ का राजस्थान है, जोधपुर के जो शूटर जब शूट कराते हैं वो खुद भी यहाँ पे आके ना बहुत ज़्यादा शूट करवाते हैं अपने यहाँ पे, ताकि है ना उनको एक ऐसी मतलब आगे ऐसे मतलब वो फेमस हो सके और आगे ना लोगों को भी बता सके कि ना यहाँ की जो लोकेशन है, जो भी यहाँ का ब्लू पेंट है, वो सब है ना लोग जाके देख सके.
To preserve this unique identity, the Jodhpur Municipal Corporation is actively working to protect and maintain the blue heritage of the old city. Several initiatives are underway to restore and enhance these historic lanes. As a result, Jodhpur's iconic blue streets continue to seamlessly connect history, culture, and tourism, keeping the city's timeless charm alive. Jodhpur's blue lanes celebrate the beauty of tradition. But step into the streets of Delhi and you will discover a completely different expression. These young artists have taken art beyond galleries and onto the streets of Delhi. Meet Akbar, better known as Art Akbar. With a brush in hand, he turns ordinary walls into a vibrant open-air gallery. For artists like him, every wall is a canvas and every stroke tells a story, bold, modern and full of meaning.
एज एन आर्टिस्ट आपका माइंड ना बाउंडेशन में नहीं रहता. हम चाहे वो ब्लैंक चीज़ हो, चाहे ब्लैक हो, चाहे कोई भी कलर हो, उन कलरों में ना हम दूसरे कलर अपने आप ऑब्जर्व हमारी आंखें ऐसे ना हम ब्लैंक चीज़ में भी ना इतने सारे कलर देख पाते हैं. अभी के टाइम पे क्या है ना, म्यूरल ट्रेंड पे हो गया है, तो आप कहीं भी जाओ ना, एक दिल्ली की एक अलग ही ब्यूटी और वाइब आने लगी है.
Street art and crafty are rapidly transforming Delhi's urban landscape. What was once defined global cities is now reshaping India's own identity. These vibrant walls don't just blend into the background, they make people stop, look, and engage. From admiring the art to capturing and sharing it, the experience has become a major draw for international visitors as well.
आप जब भी किसी आर्ट फॉर्म को देखते हो तो इट्स अबाउट कनेक्टिंग थ्रू इट. आप उससे कितना एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो, आप कौन से अलग अलग चीज़ों को महसूस कर सकते हो. एंड अभी हम AI और ChatGPT के उसमें जी रहे हैं, तो ऐसी आर्ट फॉर्म्स को स्टिल देखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
आजकल
लोग ज़्यादा फ़ोन यूज़ करते हैं, ठीक है। अगर उनको थोड़ा भी टाइम मिलता है तो लोग फ़ोन यूज़ करते हैं, दैन वो अपने आर्ट को वीडियो रील के अकॉर्डिंग बनाते हैं, दैन वो शेयर करते हैं।
From Jodhpur's traditional blue walls to Delhi's bold crafty, one message stands out. When art moves to the streets, it transforms the city. These walls are no longer just brick and cement. They have become identity, expression, and opportunity, especially for the youth. In a changing India, sometimes tradition paints the city and sometimes young artists paint the future.